Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error. Sorry, there was a problem displaying this folder OneDrive. We are going to right-click on the Start menu to choose the Run option. There, you are going to paste the command that we will leave you in the description of the video. Click on OK and wait a moment. Now you can see the OneDrive folder from the access in the taskbar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.